y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do a flip over quick weave with a butterfly braid crown. Here I am just checking to make sure I have enough leave out that will cover my tracks. Now that my leave out is out the way, I'm just going to start doing my molding process. I'm just going to put my hair down the middle and then start using my RRS wig grip gel to mold my hair down. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you guys know I love to mold my hair. I just feel like all the girlies should switch to molds because it just have your foundation so flat. But yeah, so I'm just going to mold this down and start braiding. So now I'm going to put on my black cap and then put on my Robert's Diamonds protective shield to protect my natural hair from the glue. A lot of people ask me, how do I keep long hair with always doing my hair? Mind you, this protective shield makes no glue get on my real hair. So my hair is just basically protected when I have these quick weaves in. I also do like to add like oil to my scalp, but not a lot because it can mess up your protective shield and make it kind of lift. But yeah, I just sat under the dryer for 10 minutes and now I'm going to start cutting my cap off. I also see comments about people's caps lifting. You might want to sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. Sometimes I have to do 15 minutes. So now we're going to install our first track, and I always install my tracks going towards my face when doing a flip over, especially like I would say the first bundle. The second bundle I'll start curving my tracks more in a U shape, not going like directly towards my face. I'm now going to install the second bundle. I'm just going to let you guys watch me install the track. With the flip over, you just want to lay those tracks in the U shape until you can't anymore. Now all of the bundles are installed and it's looking really full and big. Honestly, this hair is giving like it might be a 22, 24. But yeah, I'm just going to start pressing on my leave out. I use She Heat Protectant, Camera Shine Spray, Camera Silkening Mist, and Camera Holding Spray, the number 13. All of my leave out. And all of these products have heat protecting properties within them. That's why my leave out is not fried off. Now we're going to get into doing this butterfly braid. So I just sprayed out a good amount of hair, and then I started braiding, and then I kind of pulled the braid out to give it the butterfly effect. But you guys will see in a second. And as I'm doing the braid, you guys will kind of see me putting the braid over my head. That's just me trying to see if I braided it long enough, and me trying to see if the braid fluffed out to my liking. I finally was able to add an edge tutorial to this video. By the time I get to my edges, my storage always running low, y'all. But y'all finally got an edge tutorial. This is the finished product. I think it turned out so cute. I really like this look with like this natural vibe to it because I feel like a lot of people be like super duper sleek, but it really looks like this could be my real hair. And I really enjoyed these bundles from Temple Valley. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.